Hello, everyone. Today we are going to hear a story about patience and perseverance. It's about a young boy who dreams of getting an education despite many challenges and learns that success comes to those who never give up. Listen carefully until the end, and I hope you will take away something meaningful from this story. So let's get started. The power of patience. Once upon a time in a quiet little village, there lived a boy named Ethan. His family was poor, and they worked hard every day just to make ends meet. But Ethan had a simple dream: to go to school and get an education so he could change his family's life. However, there was one big problem. The village had no school, and his parents couldn't afford to send him to the city for his studies. Ethan spent his days helping his father in the fields and doing chores at home. But in quiet moments, he would sit under a large tree near his house, gazing at the distant school in the neighboring village. He would watch the children studying and playing, and his heart longed to be among them. One day, Ethan made a decision. No matter what, he was going to get an education. He began borrowing old books from the children in the nearby village, and every night after finishing his work, he studied by the dim glow of a small oil lamp. His progress was slow, and many times he felt like giving up. His family often told him, "Ethan, you are wasting your time. Our life is hard and we need you to work." But Ethan refused to listen. His heart was set on learning. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. The journey was not easy. Many times Ethan felt like the whole world was against him. One evening, after a long, exhausting day in the fields, he walked home, staring at the distant school with a heavy heart. Doubts crept into his mind. What if I never get to study there? What if all my efforts are useless? At that moment, an old man sitting by the roadside noticed Ethan's troubled face. He called out to him and asked, "What's troubling you, young man?" Ethan shared his struggles and his dream of getting an education. The old man smiled and said, "Patience and perseverance are the keys to success. You may not see the results of your hard work immediately, but remember this: the bamboo tree spends years growing its roots underground. It takes time before it breaks through the soil, but once it does, it grows tall and strong in just a few months. You must be like the bamboo, steady and patient." Ethan listened carefully, and the old man's words filled him with hope. He realized that success was not just about reaching the destination, but about staying determined, no matter how long the journey took. A few months later, something wonderful happened. A new school was built in Ethan's village. The villagers were overjoyed, and Ethan's heart raced with excitement. He immediately enrolled, but his journey was still filled with challenges. His classmates were far ahead of him, and he often felt like an outsider. But instead of giving up, Ethan worked harder than ever, studying day and night. His efforts didn't go unnoticed. The teachers saw his dedication and passion, and soon Ethan became one of the top students in his class. Years later, Ethan completed his education and became a teacher. He returned to his village to bring education to many more children who once faced the same struggles as he did. He never forgot the lesson he had learned. Patience and perseverance were the true keys to success. Ethan's story teaches us that no matter how difficult the journey may seem, patience and perseverance are essential to achieving our dreams. Many times we face obstacles that feel impossible to overcome. But just like the bamboo tree, our efforts are slowly building something strong beneath the surface. When the time is right, all of our hard work will pay off, and we will rise above the challenges. So whatever your dream may be, stay patient and keep working towards it. Success will come just as the bamboo grows tall and strong after years of unseen growth. Believe in yourself and never give up, because persistence and patience are the true keys to achieving anything in life. And that's the end of today's story. Hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next story. Thanks for watching.